Hello everyone, this is my review of the Feekoon 2-piece Airwax removal tool. The design is straightforward yet effective, making air cleaning a hassle-free experience. The built-in safety guard ensures that the tool doesn't go too deep into the air canal, providing peace of mind during use. Made from non-toxic, waterproof plastic, the tools are easy to clean and can be reused multiple times, making them cost-effective. The texture handle offers a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during cleaning. The handle hole design makes it easy to store the tools. Being made of plastic, the tools are less flexible. Overall, the Fikun Airwax removal tool is a reliable, straightforward solution for maintaining air hygiene. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.